Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Ladies and gentlemen, we're getting a lot. We're starting here in just 9 minutes and 35 seconds. Excuse me. We're going to be covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch the day trading session for COMEX Shanghai Futures Exchange open up. Smash the like button and share the stream. Ladies and gentlemen, I did put the post out on X for this live stream. If you go like and retweet that, I would appreciate it. What a historic night last night, setting a new course record. But Dom got no soup. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the support. Put in the chat where you're watching from. We're going to be live here in 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Smash that like button.
In the borders, I'm a golden and silver stacker on the run. The globe till the treasure's done. You should subscribe. Join the cross station nation. Yeah, free silver, free gold for the whole foundation.
Who needs soup? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 7 minutes and 55 seconds, breaking down all the gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves, guys. Silver and gold ripped overnight. We're about to cover it live in just 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Please smash the like button. Please share the stream. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 7 minutes and 10 seconds, breaking down all the gold and silver news. We're going to be watching the COMEX day trading session pick up here. We're going to be watching the Shanghai Futures Exchange market open. There's over 200 of you watching right now, 66 likes. Guys, let's smash that like button up. We had a historic night happen last night. If you were there last night, put I was there.
To Rio sun, from Arctic ice.
If you're still stacking, put I'm still stacking in chat.
Every stamp on my page, another drop in the way.
Woo! Hey, Shotgun Susie, those comments were fine. Those were okay, but thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Stout just gifted soup. That went to Mr. Bill, it went to Fox, it went to Casey, it went to Brick, it went to David. Wow! Let's go! Who's ready? Who's still stacking? Who has intestinal fortitude? Hey, Arjun Appeal, good to see ya. Thank you so much, Jeff Stout. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 5 minutes and 30 seconds, and Jeff Stout is already making it rain soup on people. We're about to be live here. Smash the like button, just 25 likes from 100. Breaking down all the gold and silver news, ladies and gentlemen. Buckle up. Let's go, let's go.
Stacks of silver, stacks of gold. Digging
Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this gold and silver music, you can listen to it anytime, day or night. Apple Music, Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, it's everywhere. Just search International Stackers, the artist, and rock away. Let's go. Let's go. Do we have No Soup Dom in the chat? Is No Soup Dom here? Guys, the bounty for No Soup Dom is getting ridiculous. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Who's chasing that mill? Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 4 minutes and 10 seconds, breaking down the gold and silver news, hoping you read the tea leaves. 300 people watching now. Smash a like if you're ready. We're 18 away from 100. We're about to be live to watch the COMEX and Shanghai open up.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance.
Thank you, Jesse, for the super chat saying, "Pamp the like stackers." Yes! Let's go! Woo! Yes! Thank you, Jesse, for the super chat.
International stacking that mill. So hit that sub.
Hit that sub. And Kaltenberg in chat says, "I'm unsuperable." No one's unsuperable, Kaltenberg. We've proved that. Now it's Dom's turn for soup. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 3 minutes and 10 seconds, breaking down the gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch the day trading session for the COMEX. We're going to watch Shanghai open up. Ladies and gentlemen, smash the like button. This is your 3-minute countdown. 14 away from 100. Let's go. Thank you, Arjun Appeal. I really appreciate it, my friend. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Break it down now.
Chasing that mill.
Yes.
Crabs are grooving side to side.
Let's go.
Ocean waves where dreams collide.
Guys, let's get this pumped up. I don't think we're excited enough yet for the stream. Silver is ripping. I don't think we're pumped enough. Let's get a crab dance going right now. Drop a crab in chat if you're ready. CRAB, not a CRAB. No poop emojis, no. 2-minute warning. Get your claws up. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, just a minute and 45 seconds away from being live. We're going to cover the gold and silver news. Watch Shanghai and the COMEX opening up. Who's ready for the mega ga? Put mega in chat if you're ready. Five likes from 100. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're 5 from 100, folks. Whoa. Get your claws up. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, this is your 1-minute warning till we're live. 1-minute warning. Buckle up. Smash the like button. We're only 3 away from 100 here. Thank God no golden poops. We made it through without any golden poops. We made it through. We're the crew. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, do you guys want the old school intro? Do you want the little kid intro? Do you want migration? Let me know. Last night we did a wild intro. Let's go. Let's get it. No, Crystal got me with the golden poop. Ah! Here we go. I'm going to mix it up this morning.
Roaming
to find
Silver.
International Stacker.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 2,400 videos now around the world, literally on gold and silver adventures. And guys, when I say around the world, I mean it. We travel a lot, and we are going to be breaking down some stops I'm about to make. And West Texas Stacker in chat saying, seriously, it takes a lot of work to be a content creator on YouTube. It's not easy to be successful. Good job. Well, thank you so much, West Texas. And I would not be successful if it wasn't for you, all the crustaceans, and I'm about to pay it forward. So smash that like button if you're ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in the coming weeks, I'm going to be in 3 different cities, meeting with you, giving you guys gold and silver. So check out my website, internationalstacker.com. Not only can you see the live metal prices anytime, day or night, gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium, and the gold to silver ratio, you can manipulate the chart. There's so much information here. But I have 3 subscriber meet and greets coming up. The next one is this coming next week, July 11th, inside the Fun Coin Show in Orlando, Florida. It is free to get in. You just have to register. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be in there. We're going to have a meet and greet. I'm going to do giveaways during the meet and greet. And then after that, I am launching the Hidden Hoard, sponsored by Hero Bullion. There will be 5 ounces of silver in there for you to find. The next week in Springfield, Illinois, July 18th at 10 a.m. at the state capitol, we will have a subscriber meet and greet. I will do giveaways. And then the Hidden Hoard will drop there. You'll be able to find 5 ounces of silver right in that around that location. And then a couple weeks after that, the A&A Coin Show in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, August 27th, inside the show. Again, more silver up for grabs, and everyone that meets me, catches me in person, gets one of these. You caught the King Crab Challenge coins. So ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. It's about to go down. We are over 100 ounces of additional silver that I'm going to be giving away to you. 100 ounces of copper. We've got gold in there. All you got to do is subscribe and smash the like button. And ladies and gentlemen, I may in a little bit show you. Actually, let me just show you. Guys, it's gone absolutely insane. It's gone absolutely insane. So here is the bounty for Dom getting soup. No longer is it a battle crab. This has been upgraded to a 1/10 ounce gold eagle. So imagine that's a 1/10 ounce gold eagle. There is a Ferdinand II silver coin that I got from 1624 that I got in Prague. It's in there from a coin show. We've got this cool little micro piece of silver here. It's like a 10th ouncer or a quarter ouncer. That's in there. And then we got this in there, this nice American flag, 1 ounce copper, a bar, in celebration of America's 250th. That's right, it's July 3rd today. Tomorrow's July 4th, so I guess we could say now, happy birthday, America. Okay, here's what happened overnight. Here's the big banker's plan, and then we're going to be covering the breaking news. So if you're having fun already this morning, please smash the like button. We're only 54 away from 200. So here's what happened. Now remember, last night, silver at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it opened for today's trading session. Now, this market, I believe, is closing at 1 p.m. Let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think the market's closing today at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? So it's going to be a short day today because of the holiday. It's obviously closed Saturday. Sunday, it should be opening at 6 p.m. Eastern like normal. But since last night at 6 p.m., we hit... Oh, thank you for the jewels, Harris. Thank you. We hit a low of $60.92. We hit a high not long ago of $62.90, nearly the $63 mark. And we're currently on a red candle here at $62.30 on silver. So we're going to keep watching this, ladies and gentlemen. This is up. The price is up 2.19% on silver since last night. But wait, there's more. I feel like I should sell sham wows. You guys remember those? Here's the sham wow. Okay, there's more, guys. Gold since 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time hit a low of 4,121.48. It hit a high of 4,196.16, almost that 42 hundo mark. And it is right now riding this trend or this line here at 4,179.97 on a red candle. And again, New York trading is starting here in 15 seconds. So 10 seconds now, and we're going to see the volume down here pick up a lot. for silver and gold is up 1.39% on the trading session so far. That happened since last night at 6 p.m. A big thank you to Casper55 for gifting a membership. Wow. Guys, last night was crazy. We set a new record last night. I'll show you that in a second here. But shout out to Casper. That went to Argent Appeal. Argent Appeal Stacker, congratulations. Make sure you say thank you to Casper. And the next time we do a war room, you're invited. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. That's a members-only live stream here on YouTube. So a very cool thing's happening. And guys, what happened here? The baby gator. And then what happened here? The baby gator. You guys got me to do the baby gator 2 times. And now people are mad because they're not able to buy the dip as well as they were going to. But it's okay. We'll get through it together. Gold to silver ratio sitting at 67.02 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. And right here, some call it the Big La Bamba. The Shanghai Futures Exchange had a low of 68.88, had a high of 78.16. This puppy here is going to be opening in about 59 minutes, and we're going to be watching that together as well. And then before we go to the breaking news, if you go to my website here and you click channel lore, this tells you about all the memes on the channel, what everything means. We say crazy stuff on here, ladies and gentlemen, like no soup for John, no soup for Dom. Well, I did an update to this. Here's what happened last night if you missed it, ladies and gentlemen. Hold up. Is this the official end to the no soup for John meme? No. The next chosen to wear the mantle was Rick Harrison, who received soup at the end of June 2026. The Crustacean Soup Council then selected Dominatrix Vaughn or Dom. On July 2nd, 2026, something crazy happened. Crustaceans rallied to get her soup and set a new record of 364 memberships gifted, and still no soup for Dom!
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Ah.
Wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to cover the breaking gold and silver news. So if you're ready, smash the like button. And Chris in chat, Crustacean Commander, saying, how do you gift memberships? Chris, I think it's in your chat. The bottom right, there's like a $sign or a plus sign or something. Can somebody help Chris in chat to get soup out there? Because we got hungry crustaceans. And if you're a crustacean right now in need of soup and you're hungry, please put in chat that you need soup. The typo's still there. I'll fix it later. Thank you, Blue Shadow. Can you email to me? I will fix it. Okay. Here's a breaking gold and silver news. Okay. First off, before we hit the first news article, Roadkill had to rescue their battle crab from the wrong address due to a USPS error. Mission accomplished. Here is Roadkill's awesome battle crab. Next piece of news here. Ladies and gentlemen, what is China preparing for? Another gold move raises eyebrows. Wait, do crabs have eyebrows? I don't think so. Another major piece of the puzzle just dropped. Hong Kong is launching its long-awaited gold clearing and settlement system to encourage people to participate. Well, guys, I guess on my website, because I have market hours here, I guess I'm gonna have to add Hong Kong to this. I've got I've already got Hong Kong here. But maybe I'm going to have to put multiple Hong Kongs. I don't know. Okay. 11 major banks, including HSBC, JP Morgan, Chase.
How dare you?
UBS and several leading Chinese banks are expected to take part, ladies and gentlemen. This isn't just another exchange launch. It's another step in Asia's steady build-out of physical gold infrastructure. Over the past several years, we've seen it. Record central bank gold buying, China expanding its gold market infrastructure, trading and settlement outside of London and New York, efforts to reduce reliance on the U.S. dollar in international trade. Is this just a coincidence? Or are the pieces slowly coming together for something much bigger? Gold back you on? What do you think, crustaceans? Let me know in chat right now. Let's go to the next piece of big news, but I got a big piece of news. If silver keeps running up like it is, you're going to wish you bought more. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs, but Hero Bullion has the 5 ounces of silver at spot in their starter pack. Limit 1 per household, even if you bought from them for years. If you never bought this, you can. It is only $313.40 shipped straight to you, and shipping is free. And ladies and gentlemen, they do have, for a limited time, these poured silver bars limited of 1,776. In a celebration of July 4th, they are only 99 cents over spot. Don't sleep on it. They're limited. They're beautiful. Next piece of news here, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody's asking the wrong question about $120 silver. Take a look at the long-term chart below by the squeaky mouse. After breaking out of a massive multi-year cup and handle pattern, silver surged to $120 an ounce before pulling back to retest the breakout zone. So far, that former resistance is acting like support. Silver's still up around 100% from a decade ago. Many technical analysts view this kind of successful retest as a healthy sign. Instead of falling back into the old range, silver is attempting to build a new foundation for its next move. That's why many bulls argue the run to $120 was just the breakout phase, not the final top. If the support continues to hold, they believe the next leg up could be even more powerful, and so do I. If you agree with me, say, I'm with you in chat right now. None of the fundamentals have changed, ladies and gentlemen. So here's Squeaky Mouse, and Rat Stacker would love this name because my daughter, who's the Goblin,
Mega!
she stacks rats, silver, and gold. She has 2 rats named Popcorn and Houdini. Okay, silver's retest of support confirms the move to 120 was likely just the breakout. So look, this is the cup and handle, and this is on the logarithmic chart. And his argument is that was just a breakout phase. We have not yet seen the meteoric run. Wow. If you agree with Mouse, put mouse in chat right now. Here's the next piece of news. COMEX silver interest, ladies and gentlemen, the open interest crashed to 10-year lows. Look at the chart below. Silver's open interest, dark blue line, has collapsed to levels last seen around 2016 bear market bottom. Look, way down here. It's like, and then bang, way down there. Okay? Not seen since 2016 bear market bottom. Yet silver's price is dramatically higher today. That's an unusual combination. A sharp decline in open interest often suggests leveraged speculative positions have been flushed out, leaving a less crowded futures market with fewer weak hands. By itself, this doesn't guarantee higher prices, but historically, periods of depressed open interest have provided a healthier backdrop for the next major move when buying pressure returns. Could it also mean investors are sick of the COMEX games, glitches, and crashes? Here it is here, guys. So look, bang, 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 bang. Down here, way down here. And I did highlight this because I look at this every day. This is the COMEX open interest. I did a post on this number back here, 101,000 contracts. That is minuscule. That is like one of the lowest in like a decade. And then we recently had this puppy here. That's about 700 million ounces, I believe. But look, we have continued to collapse back down here. So we're going to keep watching. Look, open interest here was a 106, 107, 108, 105, 101. So I'm watching for the open interest to return back to 100. Look, here's 100. So there's a lot going on that people aren't watching. And ladies and gentlemen, another 100 contracts left the COMEX. You do 100 times 5,000. That's how many physical ounces left that. Can someone do that math and put it in chat? Okay, let's go to the next piece of breaking news here. And guys, we don't go anywhere. We've got about 7 minutes until the danger zone, and we will be entering the danger zone together. And thank you, William Posey, so much for those jewels. We got 700 people on. We're only 9 likes away from 200. The next 200 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 5 years.
It's science.
This day in sound money history. July 3rd, 1852, Congress authorized a U.S. branch mint in California. What became the San Francisco Mint? The S you see on the coins, ladies and gentlemen. The California gold rush was producing so much physical gold that shipping it across the country for coinage was slow, expensive, and risky due to those train robberies. The solution? Bring the mint closer to the gold. It was a reminder that real money requires real infrastructure, not just a printing press. 2019, on July 3rd, the U.S. Mint released its Pride of Two Nations silver coin set, celebrating a rare joint issue between the United States and the Canadians. Hey, any of our Canadians in chat, put Canada in chat right now. And we got Kyle, Airplane Studios in chat, Crustacean Commander for over 2 months. Thank you so much, saying, I think we can see $300 to $500 an ounce silver, I think is what he's saying. within the next few years. By the way, that's 50,000. Whoa. Well, thank you for that, Kyle. You are mega. Wow. Could you guys imagine $500 silver? Wow. Okay, so here it is here. Please, if you're on X, if you could give this. These posts do horrible on X, and they take so long, so please support it on there. Oh, 500,000 ounces. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Ralph, for clarification. That was 500,000 ounces. I did want to highlight Dave is going to be listing these battle crabs on eBay. He has 11 regular and 1 battle crab. He's doing it to raise money for charity, so more to come on that. But you are going to have an opportunity on eBay, and it is going to a good cost. And speaking about eBay, let's check the Britannia Mint Era coin. And it is up to $2,125. This is the Royal British Mint silver coin. That's not really silver. It's stamped 999 fine silver, but they did it on the wrong planchet. The last coin of one of these to sell on eBay was for $4,094. They weigh just 28.28 grams. So I know a lot of you are following that. I'm following it, so we'll continue to follow it. I'll put the link in chat for those of you crustaceans who are trying to get it. Ralph Ramsey was trying to get it, but he got shook out. He got shook out. It's okay, though. All right. Silver, if you guys are trying to get that, put eBay in chat if you're trying to get that coin. Silver shifting around in the COMEX, ladies and gentlemen. We covered this last night. We'll be looking at the report today. But remember, the last previous days, we saw essentially millions of ounces being shipped into registered, being moved from eligible to registered. And that has been happening by the Asahi depository here. Now remember, to deliver silver, it has to be in registered. It has to have a warrant attached to it. That warrant has to get canceled, and then it gets shipped back to eligible, and then that's when the deliveries go out. So I'm expecting to see some big deliveries coming out of the COMEX in the coming days and, well, week, because it's a holiday. Here's a big one. Ladies and gentlemen, gold sentiment just hit extreme fear. History says pay attention. Gold sentiment has plunged into the bottom 10% historically. Here's the wild part. The last 8 times sentiment has reached these extreme lows. Gold was higher just 1 month later. Everyone loves saying, buy when there's blood in the streets, but very few people actually do when prices are falling and headlines turn overwhelmingly bearish. Guys, there's a famous meme out there where it shows 2 lines. The line at $60 silver is like one person. The line at 120 is like everybody, because people want to buy into the hype. They don't want to buy when it's low. And by people, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the general investor. Definitely not the crustaceans, because we stack, we hold, and we've got diamond claws. And I want to say a very big thank you to all the diamond claw level members on the channel. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the question for everyone in chat right now, who has diamond claws?
Diamond claws.
Meanwhile, the long-term fundamentals continue strengthening. M2 money supply rising, fastest pace in 5 years. Central banks remain net buyers of gold. Do as we say, not as we do. China pushing yuan internationalization with gold. U.S. fiscal dominance is being challenged. Volatility after a major rally is normal. In the last major gold bull market, the parabolic move didn't come before the correction. It came after, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are. Extreme fear. What's going to happen? And ladies and gentlemen, we're about to go into the danger zone. I had one more big piece of news here. Hold up. Okay, we'll come back to the news. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to enter the danger zone. That's every morning from 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when the big bankers like to attack gold and silver. Doesn't mean it happens every time, but it happens. And guys, I'm looking at chat now. When I do the news, I'm not looking at chat. So if you got a question, put it in chat. If I missed a question earlier, please put it in chat, but tag me at International Stacker so it glows orange. And we got William Posey saying it's okay to buy on the way up if you DCA dollar cost average. You're totally right, my friend. You are totally right. Yeah, the COMEX is open. This is the COMEX right here. It's open till 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, then it closes. Shanghai, don't forget, just because we're closed, the COMEX, the U.S., for the 4th of July, Shanghai's going to be open, LBMA's open, everyone else is open. And Steven in chat says they need soup. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to announce it. We have officially opened the soup kitchen. Here we go, Danger Zone! And we are immediately to a green candle in the danger zone. We're going to watch here. Steely the Sacker says, how is the voice after yesterday's melee? It's holding up. As long as I don't scream crazy, it's holding up. Slightly hoarse, but not crazy. Prass says, aren't banks on holiday today? Will we see volatility? Yeah, banks are on holiday in the United States. Christian said, you should come to Calgary Stampede. Come visit the big show. Don't go in the north side of the tent. Geesh. Whoa. What happens in the north side? Ladies and gentlemen, I do not like being in the danger zone and seeing a red candle. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going in.
Smith, a fallen hard with one arm. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not. Major choke slam.
And I did want to update you super quick. Again, check out the website, internationalstacker.com. There's all kinds of resources. There's a free tool here to track your silver and gold. It tells you how much it weighs, your dollar cost average. There's so many resources here for you guys to use, but you guys demanded it, so I did it. The shop is updated. You guys asked for flags, so I had this flag. Now we have the Secret Society version of the flag, so you don't have to have gold or silver on there or International Stacker, so you can stay a little bit more hidden. And we have the battle flag, and we got the stickers up. And a pretty mean bumper sticker. So you guys asked for it. It is there as we are on the first candle here in the danger zone. If you got a question, put it in chat right now. Wow. Okay. I do need to do a Canadian trip. We're going to do a Canadian trip. And guys, remember, Jake from Hero Bullion announced that they are looking into possibly starting to sell in Canada. So maybe when they start to sell in Canada, maybe I'll do a trip to Canada. We can do a hidden hoard. We could do a subscriber meet and greet to celebrate that momentous occasion. Christian Love says the north side of the tent is where the Cowboys and Indians piss and puke when they're drunk. Whoa. And guys, Pat JMD Diamond Claw says Crustacean Nation song is up and ready. I'll send the link by email because it won't let me do it here. But you can find my channel. Okay, guys, we're going to Pete Bolin. And by the way, Pete Bolin, Diamond Claws for 5 months. Thank you so much. Hold up. Pat JMD made a Crustacean Nation song. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Let's check it out real quick. We're not going to listen to the whole thing. We're just going to listen to a snippet. Wow. Okay, skip ahead.
The shores of the internet.
Wow.
Marching in.
Okay, let's go to the hook.
To Green Bar once more.
Whoa.
Management contractor. A world
Whoa.
grip and brought those wild adventures.
Ladies and gentlemen, you got to check this out. P. Dolan's almost to 100 subs. Let's show a Crustacean some love. Let's get P. Dolan to 100 subs. That's only 19 away. And you guys can check out that Crustacean Nation music. Sub up. Okay, I'm dropping the link in chat. Let's show some love to P. Dolan. Wow. I know we could get them to 100 subs. I know it. Okay, we are firmly here in the danger zone. I got a few more pieces of news here I want to cover. I got a piece of news that can make you rich. If you want to get rich, if you want me to cover the piece of news to get you rich, put get rich in chat right now. And guys, we're just 10 likes away from 250. I know we can do that. Please smash a like button. It helps the channel out so much. Okay. Okay, evidently you guys want to get rich. Let's go down to it. Actually, I think I have it here in my bookmarks. Whoa!
I want my soup, and I want it now.
No soup for Dom. Okay, let's go here. Okay, I'm trying to find the post. Give me a second here. I'm trying to find the post to get you guys rich. I'm pretty sure I bookmarked it. Hold up. Here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, these are out right now. These are out right now, and thank you so much for the jewels, Harris, Johnny. These are out right now. The U.S. Mint has released 250,000 of the special July 4th quarter. Here it is. Now, here's the key. There's other quarters that look like this with the Liberty Bell and the president on the front. But July 4th privy. These are going for $1,500 on eBay. $1,800 on eBay. There's only 250,000 of them. You got to find it with the July 4th privy, ladies and gentlemen. And you, too, could get rich. Wow. Pat JMD, thank you for the memberships. Those went to Jag, it went to Squid, it went to Caesar, it went to Nain, and it went to Lurch. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis and say thank you to Pat JMD. Let's see what we got Pat to. Did we get Pat over a hundo? We did it, crustaceans! We got P. Dolan over 100, but keep subbing them up because the more subscribers they get, the more tools they get for their channel, and they put out 2 Crustacean Nation songs, so check them out and bask in the glory. Congratulations, P. Dolan, on 100 subs. That's a big, what do you call it? Not a benchmark. Not a pylon. What's the word for it? It's on the tip of my tongue. It's a good, it's on the tip of my tongue. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's go back here. See what you guys are saying here. Waypoint. It's a good waypoint. Received my Argentia silver bar depicting what happens in the war room. That's not what happens in the war room. You must be fully clothed, Mitch.
How dare you?
Okay, scrolling down. Look at this variable. No soup for Dom. Milestone, thank you. That's what I was looking for. Milestone, thank you. Yeah. Guys, this is Dom. She needs soup. No soup for Dom says variable. Thank you, Blue Shadow, for putting out the live. Thank you, Sicilian. Thank you, FGK, for putting out the stream. Thank you, Scott Valpy. Appreciate it. Cheryl Clark says, my response will always believe. I'll believe it when I see it. I do not trust what those countries and terror groups say. That's about the post about Iran. Future Moto says, stack it high like it's 1999. Stack it up, watch it grow, strengthen diamond claws. Wow. And Chris Simic here. Okay, we're caught up there. Chris Simic here says, I found another YouTube channel worthy of mentioning. This lady named Shotgun Susie on the channel. Well, let's check out. Oh, wait, hold up. Big thank you to Jeff Stout. Jeff Stout gifted 5 international stacker memberships. It went to Morrow, Andy, Daniel, Hal, and Debbie. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We try. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Ah.
And guys, here is Shotgun Susie's channel. So look at it. She's got the 40-second battle crab. So let's show Shotgun Susie some love. She's a moderator, does a lot of work for the channel. So let's show her some love. I'll put her in. Bang. Let's pin that. There we go. Thank you for that, Chris Simic. Okay, we are getting attacked right now, ladies and gentlemen. I need you all to crab your battle stations. Crab your battle stations. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in a full-blown attack by the COMEX. There's one thing we could do, but I'm not going to do it. I've committed to no more baby gators until the close of the market so you guys can get the best deals possible this weekend. But are these slippery little salamanders about to get us under $62 an ounce? That is their goal. That is their plan. They want us under there. We did just kiss it. And right under that line, that 62 mark, is the 200 simple moving average. So we're going to watch that. Woo! Let me take a sip of my coffee here. Shotgun Susie says, we are baby gatoring without you. Okay, we're caught up here. I love learning. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Stock Stacker. Thank you. I did have one more piece of important news here, and thank you so much. Thank you so much, Brandon, for the jewels. I had one more piece of news here I wanted to cover for you guys. Iran news is all over the place, like it's a wait and see game. Oh, by the way, the world's biggest coin. Look at that monster. Okay. I'm on the record saying that Warsh is going to cut rates. The whole time I've been saying that. And I've gotten some backlash for it, but I do believe it. And here is my first actual quantifiable piece of evidence. Kevin Warsh just got the green light to cut rates. June payrolls came in at 57,000, badly missing 115,000 forecast. May's numbers were also revised sharply lower, 172,000 to 129. Now 2 straight months of weaker labor data. Markets reacted. Gold and silver rallied. U.S. dollar fell. This aligns with Kevin Warsh's recent comments in Sintra, Portugal. The labor market is cooling. Thank you so much for the jewels, Brandon. If inflation continues to ease, this gives Warsh more cover to cut rates later this year, not raise them. The market says he's going to raise them. People before he got put into the position said he was a hawk and it was going to raise them. And the whole time I said I believed he was going to cut. I'm standing behind that. We will see if I'm right or if my face will be red. We will see that together. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll admit it. But I do think rates are coming. Rate cuts are coming. I do. And ladies and gentlemen, we got 700 people watching. Thank you so much. And we've got 274 likes. That means we're only 26 away from 300. Guys, I want to thank you so much. This is my full-time job. I couldn't do it without you. Any super chat, any membership, any gifted membership, upgrading your membership, the jewels, all that. Guys, it helps me so much, and I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. And you can support this channel without spending a single dime. You could tap, smash, headbutt, roundhouse kick that like button. And I've got a question for everyone in chat right now. If you became a gold and silver stacker because you found a random video on YouTube, some random video popped into your feed and introduced you to gold and silver, put YouTube in bold letters right now on chat. And ladies and gentlemen, all 750 of you now, look at all those YouTubes popping up in chat. When you hit the like button, when you share a stream, you're literally like the gold and silver Paul Revere riding the streets of the internet, warning that the bankers are coming. The more people we can warn, the more people that start stacking and become crustaceans, the more that are going to be protected when the big paradigm shift happens and what we're seeing of the death of the U.S. dollar and what the next currency they will roll out will be. It happens every 30 to 50 years. The last time it happened was in 1971 when Nixon took us off the gold standard temporarily. The next rollout is coming. I believe it's going to be digital. It's going to be the U.S. dollar. It's all digital anyway. Americans here, you all get a free wallet with a free $250 stimmy in it. I think it's going to be something like that. So literally by smashing that like button, you can help people prepare for that eventuality, which I believe is coming. Okay, we got Subraman saying, if you think possible sequence, 1, Warsh will show less inflation figure. 2, reduce Fed rate. The duration of gap between these two is a bit scary because less inflation, not good for silver. Look, I think they're going to change how they measure inflation. Just like they have many times in the past with these task forces formed. I think they're going to use that as a pretext to lower gold and silver. To lower the interest rate because this year we've got like $8 or $9 trillion coming due that we have to pay, that we have to roll over into a new refinance. And you want the Fed rates to be lower. Long term, we're bullish gold and silver no matter what happens. But short term, if we see interest rates pop, we will see a pop up in gold and silver. At least historically. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Victor in chat says, jobs report were always better than expected. The entire time Powell was in charge. Warsh takes over and boom, worse than expected. Yeah, but don't forget when Powell was in charge, they would come out better than expected, and then they would revise them down like 6 months later, 3 months later. So don't forget about that. Silver Fox Stacker, thank you for the golden poop. Whoa. Regetta in chat says, can you show the chart of the USD to RMB spread? When China, with China stacking, they're underreporting the silver 7 to. Yeah, I do believe that. I don't have that chart, but I do have this. Alert, the biggest gold and silver transfer in decades, and no one's talking about it. The East versus West precious metal shift is accelerating, ladies and gentlemen. Gold. China imported 692 tons in the first 5 months of 2026. That's a 76% increase versus the same period in 2025. Nearly, ladies and gentlemen, 300 additional tons of physical gold flowed into China. Silver in 2025, China was the net exporter of silver, Quarter one of 2026, it's now an importer, 1,630 tons. March alone was 836 tons, a record month. What's with the major shift in silver? Trying to introduce a state-controlled list, export licensing system for silver, signaling a greater focus on retaining domestic supply for industrial and strategic needs. Banning all exports except for 44 state-controlled companies. The message is hard to ignore. Asia isn't just buying precious metals, it is securing physical supply. How foolish are we in the West, freely giving away our metals for paper promises? So dirty. And Crispy Bacon says, do you ever check out Eurodollar University? He had a video on the payroll data he released last night, and it was very good. He's pretty on point. I have not, but I'll check him out, Crispy Bacon. Thank you for that. I have not, but I'll check it out. Pat JMD says, I like just about every one of your shorts last night. Thank you. I was up very late. I got a trillion of them, yeah. Thanks for getting me over 100. Congratulations, Pat J. Congratulations. Owen in chat. Owen says, managed to get on earlier than expected. Let's see what the... Okay, guys, I got Owen in chat. So here's the deal. Owen, who is in Ireland, bought a Reckless Metals Battle Crab. And then there was an issue with Reckless Metals. He wasn't going to be able to ship there, and he told me about it. I said, send it to me, and I'll send it to Owen. So, Owen, we're going to put this in the mail for you. But, ladies and gentlemen, if you want us to rip this, if you want to see what Battle Crab Owen got, say, rip that crab in chat. Let's open it. Oh, wait, do you guys want me to do it? Do you want me to do it? Do you want me to do it? Do you want me to rip it? Here it is. What's it going to be? Put 1 in chat if you think it's going to be a regular, one of 445. Put a 2 in chat if you think it's going to be gold-plated. Variant 1 of 5. Put a 3 in chat if you think it's going to be 1 of 50. The 1 of 50 variant. Hold up. I can't get it open. Hold up. All right, let's do something real quick. Let's rub it on the golden crab for good luck. Here we go. And he got the regular, but it's okay. There's only 445 of these, and they sold for like 80 something. I seen them online for 150, 160. So Owen, you got the battle crab. I'm gonna get this in the mail to you. So make sure, Owen, please email me your address. But congratulations, Owen. In Ireland. Wow. That was hard. That was hard to open. But my arms were like stretched out on camera. Thank you, Real Bill and Frodo, for the jewels. Now, I did miss a few questions. Let me go back up. Hold up. Woo. Okay, Silver in chat says, question, how is it the world bought 244 tons of gold in the first quarter, yet gold drops? That's a good question, because you're talking about physical market versus the paper market. Paper market's been heavily manipulated for years and years and years. So there's a divergence between physical and paper. So the central banks are buying physical while the paper price is being attacked. But don't forget, when in doubt, zoom out. 1 year ago, what were we, like at $2,000 gold? 1 year ago, we were at like probably $33 or $34 silver. So keep that in mind. So I hope that answers that question. New Dom video on X is Master Blaster. Okay, I'm going to go to that in 1 second here. Real Bill says, I watched the replay from last night. It was fabulous. Yeah, it was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. Okay. Are you familiar with Martin Armstrong at all? I'm not, Chris Simic, that I know of. I mean, if I was to look at something, I might be, but not off the top of my head. Next Exit gifted a membership. That went to Red Admiral FK. Congratulations. Say thank you to Next Exit. Smash that like button and check out your emojis. And guys, the next exit got soup just a couple days ago, I think. Regetta says, I'm not a guy with crabs on the internet, but I am a financial advisor in Maryland Crab State. Keep up the great work. Thank you for that. Wow, thank you. Okay, let's go to X. Let's see what Master Blaster has created for us. Oh, here we go. It is No Soup Dom dancing with the crabs. Okay, it's getting a little racy there. It's getting a little racy. We'll not show the whole video. It's getting a little racy.
What the hell?
How dare you?
Okay. Yes, so many people want soup. 1, 2, 3. There we go. The mic turned. I was like, it got lower. Can you guys hear me okay? I think I just hit a knob by mistake. Can you guys hear me okay? Let me know. Okay, guys, we are out of the danger zone. And look at that. As soon as we're out of the danger zone, immediately starting our walk back up. Wow. So silver's at 62.17. That's up 1.95% since the market opened last night. Gold is at 4,176.75, up 1.28%. Who's having a good day? Who's ready for Shanghai to open? Ladies and gentlemen, the big La Bamba here. That's the next big shoe to drop. This market is going to be opening here in just about, 23 minutes. Only 23 minutes. Don't go anywhere. This could cause some volatility. The last few days when Shanghai has opened, it's caused some really positive volatility in silver and gold. So we're going to come back here in a little bit. I'm going to ask you guys at that time if you're team green or team red. Woo! And guys, we only need 30 more subscribers until 69,300. That will trigger the next big show. Here's the crazy thing. Only 30% of the people that watch my channel are subscribed. So please subscribe. It helps grow the channel, helps me to get the message out more. I really appreciate it, guys. Okay. Let's check out the breaking silver news real quick. I might read that. That might be a good post explaining premium for people. This is about Shanghai. Shanghai Futures Exchange inventories decreased 8.3 tons. I'm trying to see any breaking gold and silver news right now for you guys. Semiconductors just hit a high level never seen before the 2000 crash. Oof. Okay, let's go back to here. Oh. How much would you pay for this 1 ounce proof American Gold Eagle? How much would you pay? Hopefully the answer you said is nothing, because you see how it says copy there. This is a fake gold coin that one of you was scammed with. You got your money back. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you got to protect yourself. You got to do it now, and I got to do a Raptor run. Fakes are getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American silver eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the Crustacean Nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. Unfilled. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the pocket pinger, you get the stick, you get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too, so thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. And I feel strongly about that. Many of you have been saved by the pocket pinger. There's so many fakes out there. Trust but verify. Every single ounce of silver I buy and gold I test. No matter who I buy it from. Every single piece of silver I give away, gold, I've checked. It's all real. Flush twice. It's a long way to the COMEX, says Future Motive. No, I didn't Raptor run to the bathroom. I Raptor ran to refill my coffee, my Mrs. International Stacker coffee. Guys, I got Mrs. IS coffee. Drink like a king crab. Here it is. You guys asked for it. Is now available in dark roast and the 1 pound bag. Brewed from Mrs. IS's secret blend. Passed down through generations of crustaceans. Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. IS coffee. Woo! John says the redneck pinger is cheap. It's only $38, but guys, look what John made. It is the funniest thing ever. Let's see if I could. Let's see if I could find it real quick. It is hilarious. Thank you guys for all the engagement on X. Make sure you follow me here at INTL Stacker, International One to Fit. But if you want to stay up on breaking news 24 hours a day, not just when I'm live, it's a good place to come. But I'm trying to find it. He tagged me in it. Look at that baby gator. Look at this baby gator.
Big green candle!
Whoa. Here it is, the redneck pocket pinger.
Redneck pocket pinger.
He's got a clothespin and a stick. Something tells me that ain't gonna work. Hey, good morning. Hey, guys, No Soup Dom is here. No Soup Dom just got in chat. Dom, so far, there's been 6, 5, 10, 15, 16. There's been 17 memberships gifted to try to get you soup, Dom. And unfortunately, it ain't been successful yet. But silver and gold are up, Dom, so that's at least one positive. Wow. And Blue Shadow Stacker says, Dom Vaughn is in the house. Let the soup rain begin. That's funny. And ladies and gentlemen, we are just 16-ish minutes away from Shanghai Future Exchange opening, so go nowhere. Smash that like button if you're having fun. We're only 40 likes away from 400 likes. Wow. And East Tennessee Stacker, the winner of the Hidden Horde, Knoxville, Tennessee, gifted a membership. It went to Yuda Yaundi. Congratulations. Say thank you to East Tennessee. Check out your custom channel member emojis. I'll be seeing you in the war room. We're up to 18. 2 more, and that triggers the video. See what you guys are saying here. Okay. Just looking for some more breaking gold and silver news here. Last night's baby gator was massive. Oh, yeah. The baby gator was insane. For those who don't know, they had or are having the funeral for the previous leader of Iran in Iran right now. So we'll see what comes of that. Oh, thank you. Guys, today is day 1. Let me replace the pin. Today is day 1 of the Wounded Warrior Project auction. A Silver Surfer or Stacking Surfer has a 1 ounce surfboard in there, but there's a lot of really good pieces in there. And that's not the right that's not the right link, Ralph. That's not the right link. Ralph, it's not the right link. Get the right one. But anyways, let me unpin that. We'll wait for the right link, but it is a charity event. Gold and silver sales auctions for the Wounded Warrior Project. And how it works is you pay the Wounded Warrior Project directly, so it is a tax write-offable event. But always check with the tax professional, because I am not one, and I'm just some dude on the internet with crabs. And you could get some cool silver, and it goes to a good cause. So check that out. I think this is the... Okay, here's the right link. So, guys, make sure you click that link from Ralph Ramsey. There we go. Let me copy this. So this is the auction. It's tonight in 10 hours. So make sure to check it out. Smash the like button. Click notify me. Read in the description. You do need to register for it, but it's not that hard to register. It's literally like a Google form. It's easy peasy. So I hope you all can make that. And I'm going to put it in a redirect. So at the end of this live stream, you will all be redirected to that page at the very end of this. And so that way you can click live and or like and not miss out. There might be some great deals to be had. I've seen some good deals on some of those auctions. Chris Simic says, curious how last night epic stream happened after you mentioned the Guinness World Record. Oh my goodness! Guys, Chris Simic is putting it together, reading the tea leaves. In the news, I literally spoke about the Guinness World Record book, and then we went on to set a record that night in soup falling from the sky. That is crazy. And Sadit says, may we have pizza instead of soup? I'm sorry, we only serve soup around here. And silver has basically regained everything it lost in the danger zone here. 62.31, we're up 2.2% since last night. Gold on a green candle, 4,175.72. Okay, so the question for all of you, are we going to take out $4,200 on gold today? And are we going to take out $63 on silver? Let me know in chat what you guys think. Send it to IS. He said he can send it to me. Yeah, Master Blaster, send me whatever you want to send Dom, and I'll forward it to her. Jesse in chat, thank you for the super chat saying, I've answered your email, brother. Thank you, Jesse. I will check it here after the live stream. Thank you so much. A Tony Phoenix gifted a membership that went to Brandon. Guys, remember, there is a bounty. There is a bounty for whoever gets Dom soup. We've got silver, we've got copper, and there's a 1/10 ounce gold eagle that's in there. So that's on the way. So that's imagine it's in there. There's also a Canadian maple leaf that's in there right now. It's not in there. It's in the mill, but it's in there. So the bounty for Dom is getting absolutely massive if you get her soup. Wow. And it's not a giveaway. It's a bounty. So that technically, legally makes you a bounty hunter. And Shanghai's opening just in 11 minutes and 20 seconds. Don't go anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. Future Motive says, if you don't hold a Zedong, you don't own the dong. He's talking about this, guys. He's talking about this Vietnam dong stack here. And remember, this is why we stack physical silver. This is why we stack physical gold. Because all throughout history, the big bankers, the financial experts have told you to stack this stuff. Paper, fiat currency. And all throughout history, every paper fiat currency ever made has gone to zero 100% of the time. And it got so bad in Zimbabwe, we went from $1 million notes to $1 billion notes, literally to $1 trillion notes. And here's the disgusting thing. All those poor people in Venezuela, and pray for Venezuela right now, they got destroyed from that earthquake. And there's unfortunately a lot of people that have passed on because of that. So pray for Venezuela. But all this cash they told all their people to hold all their lives went to zero. This one Venezuela silver coin from 1912, literally still worth its weight in silver, ladies and gentlemen. That's why we stack physical silver. That's why we stack physical gold. I'm getting this dirty paper fiat currency off the silver. Let me pull this dong off the silver. Let me pull this paper fiat currency off the silver. I'm sorry for leaving it on there for so long.
How dare you?
Okay. And Owen says, do you think any of the shards, which are grade error coins, will go for more than ungraded? And if so, how much? Oh, yeah. I think if there's any 69s or 70s, I think they could go. Like, this one right now is, oh, look at that. We're up. This one's $27.50. The last one to sell on eBay was $4,095 or something. So say this one goes for like 4,000. Like, I think a 69 or 70 could go for like 10K, because there's not going to be many of those. So yeah, I do think that's possible. Okay. Okay. Variable Trumper saying, wow, look at that bounty grow. Ladies and gentlemen, that bounty is growing. For sure. Oh, I need to unblock. Did you? Oh, I think we blocked someone by mistake. Hold up. Let me look. Sometimes when the mods are trying to moderate and take care of spammers and scammers and stuff, the chat's moving, and sometimes they can block the wrong person. I've done that myself. So I'm going into community moderation right now to see if I can unblock a person that was by mistake blocked. Tanya Hopkins. Stand by. Tanya Hopkins. Stand by, stand by. I am on a rescue mission for Tanya. And see, it doesn't always show the same name, which is like annoying. Because I'm not seeing a Tanya Hopkins that's blocked. All right, let me try this. Okay, I'm adding the... Oh, it says no user found. Shotgun Susie, can you email me that? When I'm doing that, it's saying no user found. So we're gonna have to figure that out after the stream, unfortunately. Tanya, if you're here, you can still watch Tanya. Your chats aren't showing up. We'll get you fixed. But Shotgun Susie, please email me that, and anything else, like if there was another screen name for Tanya. Oopsie doopsie. And Hyperfixation gifted a membership. Thank you so much. That went to William. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Uh-oh, and Robert in chat saying, alert, you showed the same baby gator clip that caused the jump yesterday. Buckle up. Did I inadvertently do a baby gator? I misclicked and timed out Tanya. How long did you time her out for, Chris? Because that will just resolve itself. Tanya, we are sorry. You got timed out by mistake. How long did you time her out for, by mistake? Why do bankers smash silver, and why do they at the same time every time? Because it's algorithms. It is algorithms. Algorithms and AI are doing it. It's okay, Chris Simic. Mistakes happen. Oh, 300 seconds. Tanya, you'll be back in 300 seconds. And Chris Simic will get a public lashing with a wet noodle, 300 lashes. And I'm going to pick Variable Stacker to deliver the lashings. Thank you, Silver Tongue Saint, for becoming a channel member. You are mega. Don't feel horrible, Chris. You're good. Mistakes happen. It's hard when the chat's moving. I've done that before. I've blocked the wrong person before and had to fix it. Okay, guys, we are just 5 minutes away from Shanghai opening, and I'm going to ask you right now. Oh, and Commander Craig is heading out. Good to see you, Commander Craig. Guys, Commander Craig is commander of the 42nd Battle Crab Brigade. So he's more than likely going off to get some materials for his brigade. Are you guys team green or team red? Are we gapping up or gapping down? Now, Shanghai closed at 70.16. That's awesome. I wanted to break that 70 mark. And silver right now is 62. So we're about an $8-ish premium. Are we gapping up? Or are we gapping down? Let me know right now. Okay. I'm seeing big gap up. I'm seeing down. Steely the Stackers shouting out the Anthropod Army. That's mega. And there's Steely the Stacker just hit his 1 year anniversary. Look at that. He's got the crab with the crown next to his name. That's sick. We got Yukon Cornelius in chat. And here's Silver Beat saying, I got gifted one of these memberships, and I'm glad it was this channel because this is where a lot of videos I wanted to watch of yours. Awesome, Silver. Well, congratulations. Enjoy it. I hope to see you in the next War Room, which will be Monday morning. Monday morning will be the next channel member-only live stream here on YouTube called The War Room. All channel members are invited. Tanya's back. Look at Tanya in chat saying, how dare you?
How dare you?
It's okay, Tanya. Chris Simic, have you received your lashings with the wet noodle? Please let us know. Thank you, Dell, for the super chat or for the jewels. A Tony Phoenix gifted a membership. That went to Casey Jones. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are just 3 minutes away from Shanghai opening. This could be quite explosive here. Thank you, Real Bill, for the jewels. Let's check on X real quick what you guys are saying before the open here. It's fun to see my tweets like posted in different languages. It's fun to see that. And Jeff Stout gifted 5 memberships. It went to Patrick. It went to Joe. It went to the Dominic Don. It almost, look at that. It almost went to. It's almost Dominatravon. The Dominic Don. It went to Cameron. It went to another John. Congratulations. I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are 1 minute and 30 seconds from Shanghai opening. What's going to happen? Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. Soup John is saying...
What the hell?
That is Soup John said that. A Tony Phoenix gives another one. It goes to Holy Sheet. That's funny. Congratulations. Check out your emojis. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about 1 minute away. Thank you for the Daniel. Thank you for the mug sticker there. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade this to a danger zone alert. This has been upgraded to a danger zone alert. Thank you, Dave, for the golden poop. Wow. Happy 4th of July to everyone who celebrates it, who lives in the United States. Happy 4th of July. Sorry to our British friends in the chat. No hard feelings. Okay, 25 seconds until Shanghai opens up. Will we see 60 again? I have 50 ounces in my cart waiting. I don't know, Brian. I don't know. Maybe. Or maybe it'll be 80 to 70. I don't know. 10 seconds. Let's see what happens in Shanghai. And I'm counting it down from 5, 4, 3, 2, One, here we go. Okay, it started a green candle, but then immediately turned red. So we're going to continue to watch this. And ladies and gentlemen, quite shocking it did not gap up or down, because Shanghai usually gaps the way their market's set up. So we're at $70.15. We did just hit 70.23. So we're going to see what happens here in Shanghai. Let's see how the U.S. market's reacting there. And guys, remember, this is closing at 1 p.m. And remember, the rest of the market is closed today. Dow Jones is closed. Wow! Guys, Dow Jones yesterday hit 52,910. Wow. Nearly 53,000. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's check out super quick. Let's look super quick at the DXY. DXY is at 100.80. 100.8. I would love to see this under 100. And usually at 9:30 a.m., we'd be going to the stock market open, but the stock market, I believe, is completely closed today. The futures market is down 68 points. Okay. Let's go here. Look at Bald Guy Money. He's a great creator. Today is my 5th year anniversary on YouTube. I started it. Wife urged me to do it, not knowing if anyone would be interested in what I had to say. 134,000 subs later. That is awesome. Guys, I cannot wait to break 100,000 subs. We're headed that way like a freight train. Okay, let's see what Vince Lancy has to say.
Right now, you have to be cautious. Silver probably looks better, as you can imagine. Correct, silver looks better. I'll show you why. Same dip in silver starts here, and we're already above it. Very encouraging. So as long as silver stays above, these are if-thens, these are contingencies. As long as silver stays above 61.60.
Breaking news. Silver stayed above 61.60. Oh, someone's birthday. Happy birthday to Lady Blaze. That's mega. Oli Stacker says, just crossed a new milestone. Is that 200,000? Guys, Oli Stacker just crossed 200,000 claws. Congratulations. Just like silver, I'm poised to go to the moon on the next leg up. Jim Reeves says, the stream music sounds like 80s porno. That's funny. Ralph Ramsey says, please get control of these references to politics now. Yeah, guys, keep politics out of chat. That's all I ask. We focus on stuff that unites us. Gold and silver. There's people of every political persuasion in this chat, on this channel from around the world. So we don't do politics here. There's plenty of other channels where you could go to do politics and argue and get divided. Some say the design of people to keep us divided. We focus here on what keeps us together. What are the one item or the two items that unite us: physical, gold, and silver. So thank you for keeping the politics out of chat. I do cover geopolitical situations. I do cover stuff from the president, no matter who that is. You can see for the last 10 years. But yeah, keep politics out of chat. I'm a political person. I vote all the time. I'm very active, but I keep it out of this. We're focused on what unites us: gold and silver. Dom's riding Daisy into the war room looking for soup wearing chaps as future motive.
I take the camo, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshism here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. Good girl. Oh, wow, look at the three pyramids, guys.
That was a live stream, guys. That was I live streamed from the back of Daisy at the Pyramids of Giza. You can go rewatch the live stream. It was a lot of fun. Okay, something shocking came across my feed last night that I didn't think I was going to talk about. There is a clandestine group, a splinter offshoot, unsanctioned, in the war room called the Chaps Brigade. Now, something came across my feed. If you guys want to see it, say show me. And Michael D is in the chat making it rain. Whoa. Guys, Michael D just gifted 10 international stacker memberships and went to Lady Blaze. Lady Blaze, it's Lady Blaze's birthday and she just got a membership. Lady Blaze, say thank you to Mike D. Congratulations and happy birthday. Silver got one. David got one. Sonny, Scotty, Knock, Jay, Jason, Nast, Go Girl, and congratulations. Say thank you to Mike D. Check out those new custom channel member emojis. I'll see you all in the next war room, which will be Monday morning. Channel member only live stream here on YouTube. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. And yes, I'm going to say,
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
And no soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
and why Vern says we need to unite to get you to 100,000 subs and get to a 1,000 ounce stack. There we go, baby. Let's do it. Lady Blaze's birthday is tomorrow. We'll all say happy birthday. Mike D, do you know what happened last night? Mike D, let me show you what you missed. Let me show you what you missed on my website, internationalstacker.com. Let me go down to channel lore. Mike D, this is what you missed last night. It was absolutely nuclear. Is this the official end of No Soup for John meme? No. The next chosen to wear the mantle was Rick Harrison, who received soup at the end of June 2026. The Crustacean Soup Council then selected Dominatrix Vaughn, or Dom, and on July 2nd, 2026, something crazy happened. Crustaceans rallied to get her soup and set a new stream record of 364 gifted memberships, and still no soup for Dom. That's what happened last night, Mike D. You missed it. It was crazy. Whoa. Goodson in chat says you should just change the song to No Soup for Dom or whoever to keep the... So the Soup Council met, Goodson, and we decided to keep it No Soup for John as an homage to their origin story. Because to change the song every time would be super hard. You're talking music, it's a pain, right? So we voted to keep it that as a hat tip to John, where it all started, to remember our roots. But every time I will keep changing the name on the video and the face. A Tony Phoenix gifted a membership. That went to Silver. Congratulations. Say thank you to A Tony Phoenix. Yeah, Mike D was crazy. And Mike D, Chris Simic added a 1 10th ounce gold American Gold Eagle to the bounty for getting Dom soup. Fingers here says it's like Olympics going for gold soup. And West Texas says the bounty for Hero Bullion 2K subs is still on. Whoa. Guys, West Texas Stacker set a bounty for Hero Bullion's YouTube. He says if we get them to 2,000 subs, he's going to donate some silver to give away to you. And guys, we could do it easily. They're at 1,730. So that means only like 230, and he's going to give away silver. So I'm going to put the link to that in chat. Go sub him up if you haven't. We've got 700 people in here. We could do it easily. And then someone in here is going to be walking away with some silver. Future Moto says, if Mike D had been there, you'd be over 4. Oh, yeah, guys. We would have been at 400 for sure. Naked Reefer gifted a membership, and that went to Team SHTNF, Stacking, Hoarding, and Tinkering Fun. Awesome. Say thank you to Naked Reefer. Congratulations. Wow. And guys, I hate to say it, look at this. It looks like a classic shark fin. Woo! And thank you, Crystal, for the jewels. And thank you, Constant Streamer, for gifting a membership. That went to Conrad. Conrad, say thank you to Constant. Check out those new emojis. Yeah, this is a major attack here. Let's see what those slippery little salamanders could do. Let's go to Shanghai. Yeah, Shanghai's getting a shark fin. Gold to silver ratio's in a shark fin. Gold is just in an elevator, no shark fin. Alan J. Pratt says, sorry I'm late. Been puppy sitting in Glasgow this morning. What did I... You missed a lot, Alan. You missed a lot. Mike D said, sorry I missed that. It's okay. You're here now, Mike D. You're here now, Mike D, and something tells me in the future we'll have even bigger craziness happen on this channel. It seems to be the status quo. Whether I'm on the Nile and we actually got attacked by pirates
Okay,
live.
this boat is coming like really close to us. Guys, it's gonna hit the boat. Oh, this is not good. Guys, it's a freaking pirate. Oh my gosh, what's happening? All right, guys, look for art. Does anyone see an RPG in there? Oh, he's selling things.
Okay, they weren't pirates. They were industrious salesmen. But that's on the camelback at the Great Pyramids to finding Viola in Poland. She's single, guys. She's looking for a suitor. We have adventures around the world together, and it's so much fun. So much fun. Wow. And we are just 17 likes away from 450. I know we can do it. The next 17 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 15 years.
It's science.
Woo! And we're just 27 subscribers away from the next big show, so make sure you subscribe. Some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived, and if that's not enough for you, and not the too distant future, I'm giving away over 100 ounces of silver, over 100 ounces of copper, and there's some pretty cool stuff in here. And gold. And all you got to do is subscribe, smash the like button, and join the party. And thank you, Bill, for the jewels. Thank you, Hoya Guru, for gifting a membership that went to Zillion Badillion. Thank you, Dylan, for gifting a membership that went to MDK 1968. Congratulations. Both of you, check out your new emojis and say thank you. Okay, let's refresh this. I watched the video last night, says Pat JMD. Thank you, Solid Paul, to put this out. Thank you, Pedro. This humanoid robot got way too realistic. These are robots. Wow. These are robots. Oh, man. Mom, look at the kids. Mom, why are we so rich? Dad was a genius and bought loads of undervalued gold and silver when everyone else was buying NFTs and crypto, honey. That's funny. That was a funny one. Dom, I've not seen your email yet. I'll check it after the stream. Is that okay, or do I need to check it now? Let me know, Dom. Jane Silver Queen says, my birthday. Well, happy birthday, Jane Silver Queen. That sounds like we got two birthdays here. Alan Pratt says, I even missed my first war room last night as I had to get up early for these wee doggies. It's okay. There'll be more, Alan. Early in chat says, what came across your desk in regards to... Oh, I forgot to show you guys. See, I get sidetracked. Sorry. I go, oh, squirrel, and I get sidetracked. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what got leaked to me last night. It came across my desk of the clandestine Chaps Brigade. It seems that they're starting to form. Look at this. The 69th Battle Crab Brigade. That is a crab wearing chaps. Whoa! And Real Bill says there was a gator sighting. Oof, be careful. Okay, check now. Okay, I'm going to check, Dom. I usually don't check my email on live streams, but this might be important. Let's see what Dom sent. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness, guys. Dom is donating something. Dom is donating something to the bounty to get her soup. If you go to my website, internationalstacker.com, and you go to shop. And by the way, if you're wearing any of the Hidden Horde Recovery Task Force gear, HHRTF, and you find the Hidden Horde, you're going to get an additional prize and hint. It's worth a lot more than $29.99. But if we go down here to the battle flags, Dom is going to donate one of these flags to whoever gets her soup. So the Crustacean Nation Secret Society flag or the double-sided battle flag. So whoever gets soup is going to get to pick which one of these they want. Put thank you to Dom in chat right now. That is amazing. So a flag is being added. So what happened, guys, is I have this flag, but some people are don't want to fly this flag even though they want to, because it has gold on it and it has international stacker, and someone could have searched that and go, oh, they got gold and silver in that house. So we made 2 more versions of the flag, more subdued, more low-key, so you can fly it, show your pride, and not worry about getting robbed. And that's the Secret Society version of the flag and the battle flag in OD green. That's pretty cool, Dom. Thank you for that. He needs crab cake butt cheeks. That crab ain't got no cake. Come on, people, says Early. That's funny. Alan Pratton says, it's a exciting day for me today, as is that of Shards. Decided I'm allocated a graded air coin. Nice! Guys, Alan Pratt is getting one of these mint air coins. Oh, my goodness! It's up to 4,700! It's up to 4,700! The last record was 4,494. It's up to 4,751. I'm going to drop this in chat if anyone else wants to watch it or is interested in it. This is an ungraded version. And in chat, Alan J. Pratt got picked by Shards to get a graded version. So why is this coin so crazy? It's one of the most epic coins ever released from the British Mint. That's an error. It's stamped 999 fine silver. It's supposed to be 31 grams. It's 28.28 grams, and it's not silver. It's copper nickel. They made these Britannia coins on the wrong planchet, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Wow, that eBay is going crazy. eBay error coin. That is crazy. I'm going to put it in chat right now. Wow. I'm curious what an MS69 is going to go for. Maybe 10 grand. Hey, Pratt, okay, so you're getting a graded. Do you know which one, or is it random? Is it random? Do you know which one? Let me know. SL says, what's the secret claw shake? If I showed you, it wouldn't be secret. Oh, no, I'm going to find out today if I get one or not. Sorry. Oh, I hope you get one, Alan. I hope you get one. Claws crossed for Alan. Christian here says, kind of a sad that I didn't know anybody in England. I got picked up, but live in Canada. Sad days. Man, Christian, that is sad. Sorry to hear that. And usually the stock market would be opening in 12 minutes, but it's closed for the holidays. Variable is back. Variable stacker, you missed it. You have to give Chris Simic 300 lashes with the wet noodle. Please let me know when it's done. Elder Joshua Hetrick gifted a membership, and that went to Melanie Reed. Congratulations. Say thank you, Elder Joshua. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. That flag will attract stackers, says Cargo Bob. And we are on the rise back up above 62 on silver, 62.08. We are up 1.83% since last night opening at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gold on a green candle as well, 4,168, up 1.08%. Shanghai, the big La Bamba's on a green candle, back up to 69.64. We're going to see if we could get back up above 70 here. Just a reminder, a crab Rolo will be going up for auction July 5th around 10 p.m. Okay, guys, that's Hoya Guru. Hoya Guru is auctioning off battle crabs on eBay for a charity. So there's more information to come on that, so make sure to check out Hoya Guru. I put in for a 66 or 67. I think it'll be worth putting for a 68 or 69. A 69 was 4 times the pounds of a 66, says Alan. Wow. And Jim Reeves just gifted 5 memberships. It went to R Valiant. It went to Star. It went to Jess. It went to Nikki. It went to Zach. Congratulations. Say thank you to Jim Reeves. Check out those new custom channel member emojis. Hey, Dom, did you get any soup?
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Here's the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
All right, and Varial Pumper wants to see the bounty. By the way, the chest is not in the bounty. But this is what this is the side quest. If you get Dom soup by gifting a membership and she gets it, you're going to win this. So you're going to get this 999 silver little round here. Copy of an American Silver Eagle. You're going to get this Ferdinand II silver coin that I bought in Prague at a coin show. It's from 1624. You're going to get a 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle. It's in the mill. It's not here yet, but it is in there. It is in the box as soon as it comes. So if you win it today, you're still getting that. Also, you get a Canadian maple leaf that's in the mill, so you are going to get that even if you win it today. Also, we got this copper bar. You're going to get a choice if you want to join the 42nd Battle Crab Brigade or get 160th Battle Crab Sword patch, and you're going to get the battle flag, the crab battle flag, donated by Dominator Vaughn. You're going to get the OD green one or the Secret Society one, your choice. That bounty, ladies and gentlemen, continues to grow. Fingers, that message was fine, Fingers. You're good. So to the moderators, here's what I told the moderators. Keep the messages in chat somewhere between like PG-13 and R. Like, I'm fun. I love edgy stuff. But it just depends what it is, if it's like horrible. So that one was okay, but it's okay. We're all learning together. But I do like edgy stuff, but not too edgy. We do have people of all ages in here. Oh my goodness. We have so much fun on these streams. Oh, and 28 Baby Shark, you're in here. I cleared a bunch of mods yesterday. 28 Baby Shark, I just gave you your mod back. I cleared a bunch yesterday. I forgot to add you back, but seeing your name just now reminded me. So 28 Baby Shark, you got your moderator back. Okay. I, by mistake, cleared out Fingers yesterday. Sorry, Fingers. Rumors are circulating that Michael Saylor sold 491 Bitcoin on Wednesday. I think we would know if that happened. Yeah, Fingers, those ones are okay too, Fingers. Shift it to a little bit more to the R-rated and you'll be right on target, Fingers. Thank you so much, Fingers. Woo! Who's having fun? It's all right, Fingers. It happens. That other one was okay, too. Dom here says, I want to see Master Blaster vid. Is it PG? Oh, my goodness, Dom. I'm only going to show a minute of Master Blaster's video. Like seconds. It gets a little racy. That's you dancing with the crabs. And then let's just say it goes into a swimsuit edition that I'm not going to play. But that was Dominator Vaughn dancing with the crabs, waiting for soup. Yeah, I mean, the clip would probably be PG-13, probably. But I just, out of respect, I don't want to show it. Out of respect. It was a one piece. It was a one piece, at least. Okay. Let's refresh this. Okay. I'm trying to look for any breaking news for you guys live. Here's a funeral in Iran. How's Shanghai going? Says, sold it. Shanghai is starting to rebound here up to 69.72. I want to get back over this purple line, the 70 mark. Guys, in 1970, A. Buckley just gifted 5 memberships. That went to Toucan, Cutie Cat, Filthy, Jay, and Effie. Congratulations. Say thank you to 1970 and check out those new custom channel member emojis. I'll see you all in the war room. Mike D says it's a slippery slope. Yeah. Blue Shadow says Dom got no soup. She didn't. Dom got no soup. Wow. We're 6 memberships away from unlocking the video again. I'm trying to play the video a lot for everyone who loves it, but not as much. Before I was playing it every time John wanted to get soup, and that wore some people out. So now I'm trying to still play the video a lot to keep people happy, but not too much. So in the next, we're 1 membership away, then I'll play the video. Wyvern, thank you for gifting 5 memberships. That went to Kevin. It went to Moore. It went to Snoopy. It went to Fart Squirrel. Whoa. And it went to Zebra. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. The heck with it. I'm going to play it now. No soup for Dom.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Now, anybody who is a new member, you can go to my channel and you can click membership and you can watch every previous war room ever. They're up there forever. So, well, at least for the time being. So you can go rewatch any of those. So keep that in mind if you're a brand new member. The one last night was fun, so I would go rewatch that. Sean here says, since today's a bank holiday, everyone should have gotten paid yesterday. Free the baby gator. Yeah, but they want the market closed so they can buy this weekend. I can't. Guys, I cannot free the baby gator. That's why we're up to 62. This is the baby gator. I literally played it and that happened. It's happened.
It's science.
I guess I'll have to settle for salad. Dom, you're not going to have to settle for salad. Your soup is coming one of these days. I'm telling you. It's coming like a freight train. It happened to John. No Soup John became Soup John. It happened to Rick Harrison. It happened the next exit. Alan here says, I live in the town of Paisley, the home of John Witherspoon. So Paisley buddies will be celebrating the 4th of July tomorrow too. Oh, interesting. Ralph Ramsey says, my computer crashed and I had to reboot. Had been gone 3 to 4 minutes. Ralph Ramsey, welcome back. And unfortunately, Ralph Ramsey, in that 3 to 4 minutes, we did share the secret of life and we cannot repeat it. I'm bound by the Guinness World Record books not to repeat it, unfortunately, Ralph Ramsey, so I'm sorry about that. 28 Baby Shark says, it's been a while since I ate gator. Whoa. Guys, if you've ever eaten alligator, let me know, put it in chat. I have in Savannah, Georgia, maybe like 5 or 6 years ago. It was like deep fried alligator bites. It was good. Have you ever tried alligator? Put it in chat. If you've not tried alligator, but you've tried another crazy animal, put that in chat as well. And guys, we're only 24 likes away from a 500 like stream. We got 600 people watching. I know we could do that, so smash that like button. Wow, and we are only 24 subscribers from the next big show, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what eBay's up to. 4,900. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a $5,000. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I sold mine for $1,100-ish. I bought it for something like around 300-ish because there's like a currency conversion here. And I did well. I like 2x my money. I'm still happy with that because you can never time the bottom and top of these type of markets. You just can't. So I did really well. But oh my goodness, if only I had held on to it. It's a $5,000 coin. That is crazy. Wow. And for anyone that's bidding on this, I've bought and sold with this seller 100% positive. Like they are safe. You're good. Wow. Okay. Pratham says, I've tried snake wine in Vietnam. Ooh, they have that in Japan as well. It's called Habusaki. I never tried it. I tried frog legs, says gold and silver bull shark. Was it good? I had impala in Kenya once. Ooh. Impala, I think that's like an antelope, isn't it? I've had ostrich burgers before, says Alan. Send me the email as I want to watch it. John, what email? What do you want me to... John, email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com and let me know what you want me to send you, and I will send it to you. Okay. Minnesota State Fair has some good gator meat. Interesting. That was from Naked Reefer. I had alligator in Florida a few times, says No Soup Dom. It was okay. I had broccoli once. Once, says Chris Simic. That's funny. Okay, yeah, it is like an antelope. Thank you. If you guys remember Fuddruckers, I think they're out of business now. Is Fuddruckers out of business? They always had interesting meat. You could get like bison, maybe ostrich. I don't quite recall. Have you eaten lizard? I have not. There's a lot of iguana down here. People do eat iguana. I guess it's an aphrodisiac, so be careful who you eat it near. But down here in Key West, iguanas are an invasive species, and when it gets to a certain temperature cold, they just fall out of the trees and people collect them. Okay. Do you think the mint era craziness is FOMO or a long-term hold? I mean, if I was buying one for $5,000, for me it would be a long-term hold. Since I got mine at the beginning for like $300, I said from the beginning it's easily $1,000 coin all day long. So I did the quick flip into that craze. But yeah, if you're buying it for $5,000, I think it's a long-term hold. And the error coin market is very unique. And there's only 209 of these. This is a big error coin. If you collect error coins and you're interested in error coins for the British Mint, this is one of their craziest errors ever. But there's only 209 known ones, so yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, here's the situation, guys. I got to do a quick Raptor run. I'm going to leave it on the chart. I'm going to be right back. So I need somebody to time me. Somebody time me. I'm gonna do a Raptor run right now. Someone time me. I'll be right back. Go nowhere, ladies and gentlemen. When I get back, we're gonna jump into some crazy stuff, and we're only 15 likes away from 100. So let's smash it up. And someone time me in 3, 2. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, that Mrs. IS coffee. Woo! It will clear you out. Wow. What's my time? It's a crime scene in there, ladies and gentlemen. Do not go in there. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. And next exit says, I have the same chest for the bounty and all of the coins that I found. Wow. Next exit has the same bounty. And look, that's a 1/2 gold back. And these are coins that next exit's found in the wild. Some of them silver. That looks like maybe a war nickel. Nice. Woo!
How dare you?
That's cool. Next exit. Okay, let's see what breaking news here. Normally we'd be covering the stock market opening right now, but it's closed for the holidays. Down 93 in the futures. I heard half of the data centers have been canceled. Might that play a role dropping demand for silver? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. There's so much demand coming from so many places, and just because something was on the books doesn't even mean the market adjusted for that demand. That was just probably demand that never was. Chris Simic says, Tad over 2 minutes, or as my girlfriend says, a new record. Ow! Okay, replacement. Okay, let's get an update on this coin. 4,900. It's for sure going to break 5,000. There's still 2 days left. Wow. Whoa, look at this. Let's listen to this.
Is it under consideration for this administration to revalue gold?
I think that somehow when we were talking about the sovereign wealth fund and I said monetize the balance sheet, I can promise you that's not what I had in mind.
But he didn't answer the question. He said that's not what he had in mind, but he didn't answer the question. Okay. Oh, look at that, guys. O House is saying, O House has a theory. O House in chat said, I noticed that recently Bitcoin price and silver price have been correlating. Look, Bitcoin 62, silver 62. What in the world? Or as Soup John would say,
What the hell?
that is strange, O House. We're going to keep watching that. Since when did any politician answer a question? That is a good question, O Saudit. That is a good question. Ralph Ramsey, that link you posted doesn't work again. Delete that link from your thing, Ralph. That link does not work. Unpin. Okay. Have you guys seen this, the Sphere in Vegas? I've seen some funny videos from people's hotel rooms. It looks like it looks right at you. It doesn't that look fake? Doesn't that look like AI? It's totally true. And he's wearing a American flag bandana. That's funny. I should have refilled my coffee on that Raptor run. O House says gold should be the same price as Bitcoin easily. If you guys agree with O House, put I agree in chat. How can you win that big, beautiful bounty? Gift-free memberships. No soup for Dom, says Variable Trumper. Variable is pumping that for sure. Dom in chat does need soup. She is hungry. Get a nice little trend up here on silver. Gold looks to be right in that 200 simple moving average. So let's zoom out here a little bit. The 1 month chart, ladies and gentlemen, is looking good for silver. You're going to see how high we could get that. And on the 1 month chart, we're above the 50 and the 200 simple moving average. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly as well. I would like this to be a BGC here and I'd like this to be a BGC and start like a new trend that way. That would be nice. We are above the 200 simple moving average, but we're on the 1 week chart below. Let's look at the 1 day here. The 1 day we're under the 250 simple moving average, but this is looking very bullish here on the 1 day. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. Okay, and DXY is creeping back up, says Alien Head. Let's check DXY. The dollar index, guys, remember, yeah, it is creeping. It just went back over the 250 simple moving average. When this goes up, the DXY, the dollar index, it puts negative bearish pressure on gold and silver. When this goes down, it puts positive bullish pressure on gold and silver. It doesn't mean they always move inversely, but a lot of times they do. I would really love for the DXY to get below a hundo. Sorry to repeat myself, but I should get one of the graded coins. Should I hold or flip it? Alan, it depends on you and your strategy. My strategy is to get as much gold and silver as I can as possible, which is why I bought mine for 300-ish and I flipped it for 1,100-ish. Okay? So if I was you and I got a graded one, I would flip it. I would take that money, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs, and I would buy more physical gold and silver bullion with it. If I was a collector that collected mint error sets and that was going to be the crown jewel of my collection, I would keep it. Does that make sense, Alan? So it depends on what your strategy is there. Dollar to Silver Trader says, what does it take, silver bullion dealer, so long to ship your order? It just depends on the bullion dealer and who you're working with. Some of them are large operations. Some of them are small operations. Some of them are backlogged with a ton of orders. Some of them are not. It just really depends. Some of them have the stuff in stock. Some of them don't. That's why I was proud to partner with Hero Bullion, official sponsor of this channel. They're one of the fastest shippers out there, ladies and gentlemen. Now, it is a holiday week, and they're closed today. So it's going to take like at least a day or two longer than normal for shipping, but they ship ultra fast. If you bought from Hero and they shipped ultra fast, put fast in chat right now. Is silver trading open tomorrow? No, Naked Reefer. It's closed tomorrow, Saturday, like usual. The next, once we close at 1 p.m. Eastern today, it's going to open back up at Sunday evening at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will be covering that live. Did I say Monday? I meant Sunday evening. If I didn't say Sunday, Sunday evening at 6 p.m. Early in chat says, Variable Chumper needs a... Nah, we're good. What's going on in chat? Are people raging? Comment down, everybody. It's okay. We're all crustaceans. Let's see. Hey, let's comment down, everybody. Let's comment down. Comment down. Let's get together. We're all crustaceans. Okay. Lee in chat says, does COMEX close at noon today? Central, yes. So 1 p.m. Eastern it does. So that's about like 10, 11, 12. 1. That's like 3 hours from now. Should I stream until it closes? Oh House says, I called my local coin shop yesterday. Peace and Morgan's were selling for $42 coal. Wow. Guys, you know what's crazy? I remember buying Morgan silver dollars for $16 a piece. I do not recommend coal for Morgans and peace dollars. I don't. That means they could be worn. They can have holes. I don't recommend coal for anything except maybe American Silver Eagles. You get lucky and get decent ones there. Alan Pratt says, yeah, that's my plan, as it only costs 245 to 475 depending if I'm lucky. Well, if it's 475 pounds for an MS-69, I would do that, and then I would flip it. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Yeah, you guys, Variable Pumper, he can post as much as he wants about the bounty and all that. It's not spam. So those messages could come through, but let's just be civil with each other because some people don't like it. Some people are getting called Karens. We're all together crustaceans. So if people want to talk about Soup for Dom and the bounty, they can do multiple messages because I instructed all mods not to have a lot of spam. But if it's about that stuff or we're doing a crab dance, I'm fine with it as long as it's not ridiculous. Okay? So we're good. Let's all shake claws and move on. Crab Dog Security in chat says, I certainly don't envy you or the mods. It's a lot of work, so thank you to all the moderators. Yeah, it's okay. Let's all just chill. Water under the bridge. Let's move forward. Okay. Give peace a chance, says Christian Love. I love it. Keep your claws up, says Mike D. Okay, let's go here. Yeah, let's not tell people to shut the F up. I agree that crosses a line. Let's just be respectful of everybody. I do agree with you, Ralph Ramsey. So let's just be respectful. If you're telling people to shut the F up, that message is going to get moderated. So let's just avoid it. Let's just make our point and move on, and we're all good. We're all good. Look at this from Gary AG, ladies and gentlemen. These will ship worldwide. Wow, so these are auctions going right now. Okay, this is buy it now for 4,000 pounds. GBP to USD. So let's buy it now. Let's see. $5,300. Wow. So it's a $5,300 auction. This auction's up to 1,800 pounds, and it's going to keep moving. Thank you, Gary, for updating us on that. Early, come on. Just let's relax, people. Let's relax. Let's just have fun. Let's get untriggered and move on. Okay. Gold rising again, says Octavio. This is proven to be one of those rare windows that only comes around a few times each decade. Expect volatility, but the risk reward here is exceptionally compelling in my view. Look at this. Gold now as oversold as 2008. Wow. Argentina fans took over Miami Beach. Let's go back to the charts. Dominator Vaughn says, I need to run the vid that Master made to chill people out. Do you want me to show it, Dom? I will. That 4,000 pounds started at 12,000. Wow, Alan. That's crazy. Okay, you guys wanted to see it. I just said it was racy, and it was of somebody else, so I didn't want to show the whole thing, but she wants it shown. This is Dominator Vaughn dancing with the crabs. Oh, wait. Whoa. There we got sound. Dancing with the crustaceans.
I want my soup.
Dancing with the crustaceans. Okay. There you go.
I want my soup. To Tisboop. I want my soup. I want my soup.
Okay, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. That is enough of that. Okay. We're all crustaceans together. Let's hold claws and move on. Okay. He knew, says Eric Young. I don't know what that means. And here comes Mike D trying to get some soup for John, or not John, for Dom. And that went to Plaza. That went to Ego. That went to Silversmith. That went to Stamp. That went to Sunshine. That went to CO. That went to Detroit. That went to Liquid. That went to Thomas. That went to Donald. Congratulations. Check out your new emojis. Hoya Gurun with the membership. It went to its way. Congratulations. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. I'm so sorry, Dom.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
And Christian Love in chat says, looks like more AI slop. Well, it's a channel member and subscriber having fun with AI to make funny videos. So, of course, it's AI. We all know that. But I wouldn't call it slop. Some might call it a masterpiece. And Jeff Stout gifted 5 memberships that went to Uncle. It went to North Country. It went to MC Hammer. Nice. It went to Nathan. And it went to Super. Congratulations. Check out your new emoji. Say thank you to Jeff Stout. Ladies and gentlemen, people are coming hard. People are coming hard right now for that. People are coming hard right now for the bounty. Wow. Okay. One second here. I'm looking at messages. One second here. Okay. We got soup falling from the sky, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Vacation Day, says Dropping the Mic. Celebrate 250th. I had an Irish coffee this morning, and I'm glad I don't have to drive anywhere. That's nice. That's nice, Dropping the Mic. David said, you know, Mrs. IS has left the room. You're able to play that. No, I'll play any video in front of Mrs. IS. I'd never play a video that she would not approve of. Jonathan says, when it first was showed, I thought it was real, says John. What's the bounty now? Any updates? A lot. 10th ounce gold eagle, silver Ferdinand 16 something or other, 1624, some other silver stuff, a copper coin. We got a battle flag donated by Dom. We've got a maple leaf in there. It's growing big. Okay. A Tony Phoenix gifted a membership. One second. Okay. Trying hard to make it to Springfield. I will let you know next week. Mike D, you got to come. You got to come. I hope you can come to that channel meet and greet. A Tony Phoenix gifted a membership. That went to Slow Carb Girl. Congratulations. Say thank you to A Tony Phoenix. If you want to come to one of the meet and greets, guys, go to internationalstacker.com. Click on Hidden Horde. And the next one is Summer Fun Coin Show in Orlando, July 11th. I'm having a meet and greet. Just fill out the form here if you want the information on it. I'm having a meet and greet inside the show. I'm going to do giveaways during the meet and greet, and then I'm going to hide the Hidden Horde after it. You can find it 5 ounces of silver. Same thing, July 18th in Springfield, 10 a.m. State Capitol, and August 27th. So if you want to keep up to date on that, go to the website and click on Hidden Horde. Woo! Okay, variable pumper's back. Cool. Yeah, variable pumper, that's fine. That's fine to put that out like you're putting it out. And I'll just ask everyone to just be respectful with each other. The mods are doing their best. They're not paid. It's volunteer. So thank you to all the moderators. They're just following my direction. So let's all shake claws and move on. Thank you. And I'm glad you're back, Variable. Ann here saying Dan Joff, or Ann gifted 5 memberships. Ann Gainer. That went to Dan, Joffo. It went to Johnny. It went to Mike. It went to Dab. It went to another Mike. And it went to Iman, or no, it went to Mike, yeah. Congratulations. Check out those new custom channel member emojis. Woo! Okay. A Tony Phoenix says, is running a soup kitchen for those abandoned by UNICEF and the Red Cross for all the wayward crustaceans. The bounty for no soup for Dom could be yours. You must gift memberships to win-win-win, says Variable Trumper. Mike D says, how many members are going to Springfield? Guys, if you're going to Springfield, put Springfield in chat. I looked at the list yesterday, Mike D. It was up to 11 so far. The day before yesterday was at 11. And Lee Glass gives 5 memberships. It goes to Jim. It goes to Sasha. It goes to Silver. It goes to Three Rivers. It goes to Brandon. Wow. Congratulations. Check out those new emojis.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
And no soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Wow. Guys, how long should I keep going for? We've been going for 2 hours and 13 minutes. Should I go to 1 p.m. when the market closes? Should we do an all-day mega stream, or should I just stop now? Let me know. Hey, Tony Phoenix, thank you for getting the memberships. That went to Arlie. Congratulations. Check out those emojis. Y. Vern says Dan Joffo has the fastest first request to soup in time history. Oh, did he get... Dan Joffo got soup immediately, it looks like. Wow. Let's go all day, says Variable. Ron says all day. Elder Joshua Hetrick says keep going. We go until I get soup, says Dom. Whoa. And she cracked the whip. Oh, my goodness. Somebody said a Guinness World Record stream. That's Doug. Wow. $28 Baby Shark saying, please like the stream. Thank you. Guys, we are just 24 likes away from 550. I know we could do that. And Dylan just gifted a membership. That went to Joe. Congratulations. Stream until they close. I put my pants on already. says Soup John. Soup game is rigged, says MR. That's funny. One bathroom break, then keep going, says Naked Reefer. Living in Key West, do you go to the beach a lot? Not really. House and Key West, like it has some beaches with sand. It's trucked in, so the beaches down here aren't like the traditional Florida beaches you would think about. So like Miami and other places have those beaches. Daytona Beach are great beaches, but here there's not really many beaches that have sand, and the ones they do, it's trucked in. Real Bill is out of jewels. Well, thank you for donating them all. Thank you. Okay, see what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter here. Make sure you guys follow me, INTL Stacker. Come on, Variable. You guys butted heads. It's okay. Let's move on. Let's move on. They were doing what I told them to do, which is to keep spam out of chat, but there is some spam I'm okay with. I'm okay with that message, once a couple times every 30 seconds or a minute or whatever, but like if it gets too ridiculous, obviously we don't want spam in chat, right? So let's all just hold claws and move on. The mods are doing what I asked them to do to the best of their ability. It's a free job. It's volunteer, and they work hard, so thank you to all the mods. It's okay. Let's move on. I'm out of yeah. Bill's still out of coins. Yeah, I didn't see that early, Mite, so I'm sorry. Let's keep politics and all that stuff out of chat. But early, please calm it down. Let's just come together. We're having a fun time. Why are we getting triggered over stuff said in chat, please? Let's have a fun stream, guys. No reason to get triggered and upset. This is July 3rd. Tomorrow's July 4th. Is a gold reevaluation coming? I don't think so. Is gold back bonds got? I don't think so. No, he's not a troll, early Matt. Please calm it down. Let it go. Let it go. Soup John says, if you go to the beach, you have to get in water. And you know what the fish do in the water. Yeah, they poop in the water. That's for sure. Thank you, Alan, for the jewels. 6767. Okay. Let's go back to here. International Stacker, best 100 graded. There's no MS70s. There's only 969, and BYB has a 69. Wow. I would definitely be paying if I had an opportunity, I would pay the 975 for an MS69. 975. Let's see what that is. $1,300. Yeah, did anyone find one of the quarters? Did anyone find one of those quarters and they're selling for like $1,300 on eBay right now? If you found a quarter, let us know. It has to have the July 4th privy on it though. Okay, this is from Lucas. Gold miners are still printing cash, ladies and gentlemen. The recent drop in gold prices has hurt sentiment more than fundamentals, and cheaper oil is partially offsetting the impact by lowering operating costs. The obsession with higher rates ignores the basic math. The U.S. can't afford structurally high borrowing costs without breaking its own balance sheet. We got like $8 trillion maturing this year, guys, that we have to refinance. So they're going to want that interest rate as low as possible. But look at the gold miners here. Price versus cash flows. Wow. Goldman Sachs delivers an honest verdict on gold sell-off. I'll read that article later. Let's go back to the charts. What's your favorite collectible right now? Kooks, Libertads, Pandas, Jam, Barsas, Inundator. I don't know. That's a good question. I like the old stuff a lot, like the Roman silver denarius. I like the Japanese silver bars and the gold electrum bars a lot. Spanish, Mexican silver's fun. The Libertards are fun. The Onzas are fun. All that stuff's pretty fun. And we're getting a pretty big candle forming here on silver. 62.34. We're up 2.24%. Gold's up 1.05% here. Wow, old time historical. Yeah, I like it in Daystar. No Soup Dom is saying, can we give a quick tutorial on how to store our precious metals? My friends are storing at home. I hate the idea. Store it somewhere safe that you could get a hold of, but I would not be storing it in a bank in a safety deposit box. Those are not FDIC insured. And if you stop making the payments, you end up in the hospital for like a month or something crazy happens. They will drill it and take it and get rid of it. So I want to keep it in a safety deposit box, but a lot of people do keep it at home in a safe or a hidden place. I'm a big proponent of if you don't hold it, you don't own it. But not every country makes that possible or location. There's tax implications as well. So it just depends on your local situation, what country you're in. Jonathan says, I saw the commercial where they're selling 50 pennies for $10. Whoa. What do you know about fluorspar? Only one mine in U.S. just got 250 million. I do not. I'll have to look into that, Wyvern. I know nothing about that. Yeah, Don, there is an issue with fire. But, guys, here's something for you. Go to the website, internationalstacker.com, and click on resources. There's actually really, really affordable insurance, coin and numismatic insurance. Where is it? Protect against fakes. Oh, is it on my... I think I wrote an article about it. But there's numismatic insurance. If you're a member of the American Numismatic Association, you get a discount on it. But it covers theft, loss, and it's very, very affordable. Fire, it covers all that. If you're transporting it, it can cover it, depending on what level you get. Fluorspar needed to make steel and enrich uranium. Thank you for that, Wyvern. I'll have to look into that. I know molybdenum. Let's go here. What would you guys get if you had the chance if you wanted to flip it? I think a 69 would be the answer. Let's see what this auctions to. Sitting at 49 hundo. Wow. Insurance on PM's interesting. Yeah. And you could get it just on part of your stack. I think I wrote an article about it. Or is it no, it's a resource. Hold up. It's here somewhere. Oh, it's here. Here's the whole readout on insurance. It's actually really good. And you don't have to share with them your whole stack or anything. So there's the article there if you want to go check it out. Finally made it. Oh, see, hey, Jesse. Jesse made it home. They're back. And then Daystar says, funny how incredibly affordable some ancient silver coins are, like $90. Yeah, it is shocking. And then Daystar from 200 AD. Yeah, I love it. Wicked Sticky's Flower says, your best insurance is to keep your mouth shut. Totally true. That is totally true. Oh, Russia's Security Council chairman just is in Tehran. Interesting. Dominator Savant says, too late to keep my mouth shut. Laugh out loud. That's funny. Woo! Okay, I know I teased you guys with an all-day stream, but I think I'm going to work on some stuff for you, some videos and other things. So I think I might do that. And Bullion Brent saying, let's run those likes up. Guys, we're only 54 likes from a 600 like stream. Let's pump it up here. Let's pump it up here. Yeah. What do you guys think? So evening stream tonight. I will do a normal evening stream tonight, although like okay, maybe I'll do a 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time stream tonight, and I'll cover the breaking gold and silver news, but then I'll also do the Shanghai Futures Exchange Market Open. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about that? Brian says, for a little bit of good news, yesterday I was in a broke down Volvo. Today I'm in a brand new Peterbilt. Nice, congratulations. Thank you, Oho, for the jewels. So yeah, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll do that tonight. Oh, the auction starts at 6. I did want to crab raid the auction. Okay, so that's what we're going to do instead. That's what we're going to do. So I will do probably a 5:30 or 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time stream. I'll give you guys the updated news and stuff that happened today and the market close and all that. And then we'll crab raid the Wounded Warrior Project auction because I think that's a great cause and that's what I'm going to do. How does it sound with you guys? Are you in on that plan? I think so. Okay, people are saying they're in on that plan. Thank you, everybody, so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you to the mods. Thank you to everybody. Sorry for some people that got frustrated. We're doing our best to make the best experience here for you all. So I ask you all, we are just the Crustacean Nation working together, focused on gold and silver. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you guys later this evening. Probably 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, something like that. And we'll say, CYOTNO. Catch ya on the next one. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
We came for the shine and we came to win. We are taking your silver. Hey, give it up now. We are taking your silver.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.